PKSIG community need to understand, who are the players in the responsible organizations in this internet ecosystem, and APNIC is one of it. We have a responsibility of distributing the critical internet resources, that's IP numbers, to this region, to the Asia Pacific region. So that's a most relevant topic for an audience like internet governance, where there's a lot of youth and people from various backgrounds. They came to learn about who is running the internet. So basically that's the topic that I'd like to discuss first, to give the background of who are we, what we do, and then they'll have a better understanding next time, who are the main players in this internet ecosystem. The participants come from different backgrounds, not just technical, who are running the internet, they understand how it works, but there's all kind of internet users here, those who are just using internet for browsing and etc. And those who are actually teaching others, in the universities, in academia. So it's important that they actually understand the correctness of information, so they can pass on that information to the others in educating them. This school is good in a way that it's bridging the gap between the people who know how internet works and those who don't know, bringing them together, having discussions, bringing international speakers, like international organizations. It's adding a perspective to the whole way of we use internet, and that will actually enable them to then broadly think about what can be done, if any issues arise, and then they see we can go to School of Internet Governance, and we can raise it there, we can debate with others, we can discuss with others. So it's a very good, wonderful platform to bridge the gap between the knows and those who don't know. I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of energy in this in the room. There's participants from Afghanistan is a bonus to the PKSIG. I can see there's a lot of discussion for every session, and there's a lot of various topics being covered: IDNs, critical internet resources, privacy, accessibility, everything.